The team of Tyler Breeze and Fonder are your winners. The team of Tyler Breeze and Fandango, Breezango.
Off the ropes, knee lift.
Oh, quite an effective counter. Keeping in close quarters, and look at these lefts. Now this is just a ruthless attack.
Such aggression.
Flat out power.
Wow.
A deadlift military press.
Holy moly.
Slam.
She got out of there. Oh, oh, oh.
Combo! Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German.
Evades the attack.
There's one. Y dos. This third one makes it. The tripleta. Good night. Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German.
Jeez.
Punch connects, targeting the body. Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Someone call a dentist.
And another just non-stop aggression.
Stomping. Ouch.
Superstar's opponent is helpless. She's trying so desperately to get back up to her feet. Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. Thunderous. Connor flush.
Kicks to the lower back. Clutching the wrist. Just absolutely punishing their opponent here. Relentlessly.
A commanding rush of attacks on her here. Yeah, but she can't allow this surge to frustrate her. Keeping in close.
Got it, scouted. But she has to push now while the window's open. Oof.
Flat out power.
Wow.
A deadlift military press.
Holy moly.
Slam. Oh, I love this. Here we go. The giant swing.
The giant swing.
Oh, what a kick. Snapmare takedown.
Oh my. Hip attack. Make it twice. A third time. Can we see it? Oh yeah, I like it.
It's not even Saturday night. I'm sure you do. Up across the shoulders. Incredible torque on the spine. Just like an accordion.
And now she's setting the pace of this match, showing a lot of fury with her attacks.
First up.
Right now. The opening is there for the taking.
What an incredible moonsault. Fortune favors the bold. These risks could be a winning strategy.
And she can't put an end to any of the offense coming at her. She's got to reestablish herself back into the match now. The admiration for these superstars is echoing throughout this arena right now. She's able to get out of the way.
That'll teach her to waste precious time in the ring.
Trifecta.
And she's gained total control of this match. Yeah, she's proven difficult to grab a hold of. Absolutely dizzying. Moonsault! Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want. From the ring all the way to the floor. Moves outside. What's the plan here? Made her pay for her mistake. Kick to the midsection. Oh, this is so much fun to watch. Oh, the momentum into a spinning powerbomb. Oh, and a reversal. Hooked up.
DDT.
Colossal clutch. Oh, look at this, locked in. Submission move here. This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process.
She's tapping, but it doesn't matter at all in this situation.
steps into the ring.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
Gets inside the ring. Ooh, she responds with a counter. Wait, is she? Yep, looking for the submission.
Being contorted doesn't look good. The pressure is on. I think she's about to earn a fall in this Iron Man match.
I agree, this is over.
There it is. There's the tap out. Probably tapping to preserve herself for the remainder of the match.
Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Oh, what a kick.
Ooh, she hit the corner hard.
Going for it again. Pretty drop kick.
How many times does that end a match? Slingshot Arabian press.
Moonsault. Momentum's breaking away from her.
Looks like she's having problems creating any of her own offense.
Counters. This could be an opportunity. Bad predicament right here.
Can't prepare your face for that.
Well measured.
Oh, just in case the first few didn't hurt, there's another.
These debilitating forearm strikes.
Boom, boom, persistent barrage.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches.
Thunderous.
Unloading their best shot once more.
Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches.
Oh my goodness, this one is all but over.
Now this is just a ruthless attack.
Such aggression.
She's bringing the pressure on now.
She's going at full throttle right now.
Here we go. In front of DDT.
Lights out.
Climbing up to the top now.
She's getting back to her feet, but is there fight left?
From the top rope.
Double underhook applied. Up and...
She adjusts it and reverses it.
These two showing how well scouted they each are.
What a raucous crowd here tonight. Counter, and now there's an opening. Solid punch.
There's one. Y dos. This third one makes it. Tripleta.
Good night.
Keeping in close quarters, and look at these lefts.
Now this is just a ruthless attack.
Such aggression.
Stiff kick.
Golly, an endless trampling there.
Steps through into the armbar. Drops the leg as well. This is trouble.
Into an armbar. Submission move locked in.
Oh, I don't think there is any way out of this submission. She's about to get this fall.
Not sure why, but she releases the hold.
Well, I think she sensed her opponent was about to break free.
Stomp after stomp. Relentless.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
She is just desperately trying to fight out of it.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
What do they have planned here? Oh my God, could it be, Corey?
Sure is.
The full winds are not on full display. And she still fails to extend any resistance here.
And every attempt of her own offense is being subdued.
With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring.
Up across the shoulder. Driven down with a Samoan driver. Oh, that was just malicious.
Insulting.
And she is just not giving her any room to breathe.
You can tell she is fully focused now.
She'll take things into the ring. And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
Tough position to be caught in here. Getting tossed around. And now she finds herself only playing defense.
Yeah, she's in desperate search for answers now.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches.
Thunderous!
That's got to end it this time around.
Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German. Producing a trampling. Saw that one coming.
Could that be the table turner she so desperately needed?
Facebuster.
Man, that was vicious.
Oh, rapid fire afterglow combo.
She scores big with the counter.
She has her target weighed and measured.
Uh-oh.
Batten
punches.
Thunderous! You can't take any more of that. This must be over.
Now, this is just a ruthless attack.
Such aggression.
This is likely going to have adverse effects on her. She's only aggravating her competition at this point.
Man, a little extra luster behind that kick.